Welcome back to Zapit. In today's video, we will be discussing how to buy ZRP tokens by swapping your BCH funds on Cauldron Quest. First, head over to your web browser and open app.cauldron.quest. This will take you to the Cauldron Quest homepage. Now, to initiate a swap, you'll need to connect your Zapit wallet with Cauldron Quest. Click the three horizontal lines icon on the top right corner and tap Wallet Connect. This will help to connect your Zapit wallet with the Wallet Connect. Open the app and confirm the connection by sliding the arrow to connect. Head back to the browser, and you will see that your Zapit wallet is now connected. Now, slide this arrow on your browser. Here, select ZRP token from the list. Now enter the amount of BCH you want to swap for ZRP. Double-check the details of your swap. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on the Swap button. A confirmation window from your Zapit wallet will pop up, prompting you to review and approve the swap transaction. Carefully review the details again, and if everything looks good, slide the arrow to connect and confirm the swap order. Now to check whether the ZRP tokens are received, head to the Assets section in Zapit to check your balance. Refresh the screen, and yes, ZRP tokens are received in your wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully swapped your BCH to buy ZRP tokens using Cauldron Quest. For more such information by Zapit, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social handles linked below in the description.